Kurugorio kwa mitaratara ya unyitaniri wa kaunti cia Kajiado na Narok, rungu rwa iburi ria wonjoria ria Nakaeb gutanyitwo kwaramia mieke ya wonjoria kaunti-ini ici na ihinda-ini o riu kwambatira ikiro cia muturire cia ikaria kaunti ici. Magavana a kaunti ici Patrick Olentutu na Joseph Olelenku maugite ni kieha kuona kaunti ici cire na utonga muingi no aria maumite guku matuire mataraniirio gatagati ka andu aria thini muno bururi-ini.
Masai Mara is the talk of the world. Our culture is admiration by everybody. It was actually discovered that solar energy does best in Kajiado than any other part of the country. We are the #1 in wind energy. We are #1 in limestone. So we are #1 everywhere. But we are the poorest.
But let's start with this budget that we have just started developing. 2023-2024. Let us invest so that then we can be able to do what we are supposed to do.
Meranĩire kũhũthĩra mieke ĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ici gũtigĩrĩra mũhothi wao gĩkabu-inĩ kĩa ũtonga wa bũrũri ũrĩ na ũritũ.
And in Kajiado now we are working with what we are calling modulated pastoralism. You know, pastoralism, but in the context of climate change, in a new terrain with limited space, you know, in a new world, you know, where we want to consider global markets. We are dealing with the genetics. We want to phase out our zebu cows and deal with faster maturing livestock.
Every Maasai has cows, so you must have a biogas energy in your home. It should be a recommendation, Excellencies, so that we can light our homes and light our schools and also use that renewable energy, that green energy in cooking and all that.
Now that we have launched, now we want you to go back now and develop a matrix plan so that we know who is supposed to do what. If it is me who is failing as the governor of Narok, you tell us this is where you are failing. If it is Kajiado, it is Kajiado. Is it the members of our county assembly or what?
And for the two counties, we have professionals, which to me, as an educationist and who sits in the education committee, there is need for us to bring on board the professionals in the two counties so that we can discuss about our education.
Faruthi wa Ngeretha gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Jane Marriott arũgamĩrĩirwo igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ nĩ Dominic Biwott ũrĩa ũtarĩirie kaunti ici mieke ĩrĩa ĩrĩ ho na kaunti cianyitanĩra kũmba icigo cirĩ na hinya.
The interest development partners have on blocks is so massive. Is so massive in the sense that they only get discouraged if they meet very, you come to a place and you meet very, very junior officers whom, even getting to articulate issues is a challenge in itself. Consider giving them serious professionals from your counties.
Mũbango ũyũ ũtanyĩtwo gũkinyanĩrio gatagati-inĩ ka mwaka ũyũ na mwaka wa 2026 na atongoria othe morĩtio manyitanĩre gũtigĩrĩra nĩ wagĩa na maciaro maroneka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.